Ladies and gentlemen, my video guide is dedicated to help you remove the malicious pop-ups and fake download messages that come from the website Pellodersecalmi.ga. So some people may see these strange pop-ups claiming that your download link is ready. It says click the button to start downloading. The point is that these pop-ups may be interconnected with some file sharing websites. It may also appear on some websites that offer illegal software downloads. And if people click on this download button, they may be brought to the installation files of some potentially unwanted or even malicious programs. So if you see these pop-ups by Pellodersecalmi.ga, don't ever interact with these pop-ups. Don't install anything that they suggest. In case any malicious software was mistakenly installed into your Windows computer, you should carefully examine the control panel and uninstall any items that are suspicious. If you find them, get rid of them. And to make sure that your system is free of any other threats, I would recommend researching your device with a Combo Cleaner antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the software, and then begin researching and investigating your computer to detect and delete all other threats fully from your computer. Combo Cleaner will help you very well in this matter. It will help you to block all these pop-ups that might be attacking your screen periodically. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.